What is up, everybody? Josh here from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another shop update. We've been talking about this place for months. It's open. As you can see, putting some final touches on this today, but it's open every day. They're rocking and rolling, pouring ciders. It is a phenomenal place, and tons of seating, tons of good beer and cider on tap. So if you come to see us, be sure you step in, and just through these doors is Spawn Fly Fish. So follow me. We like to think things are happening here in Ilwaco, and we are happy to be a part of it. And we got some happening things here at Spawn. So, downtown Ilwaco, we had a big party here on Saturday. There was probably 300 or 400 people in the parking lot. We blocked it off, food trucks, band, tons of ciders. It was awesome. So, as we said, we were launching Grundens. So, coming in, here is Spawn Fly Fish. It constantly changes. That has been the MO. Better every day. So we've been working really hard at getting this brand to you guys. So right when you walk in, we got some sandals. We got some packs. We got more packs on the wall over there. And we got more packs in back. So we got some like Grundens lifestyle stuff here. This Dark Seas, Walrus. I'm bringing this baby up. Well, this sucker is cool, and it's red hot. We got a bunch more of them coming. People were grabbing these suckers up. It's just a rad sweatshirt. It fits our sort of coastal theme out here. So does just Grundens in general. But we got a ton of Grundens gear here. We're gonna keep making our way this way. We got some really nice heavy-duty sweatshirt jackets with that DWR finish to it. We got bibs. We got rain jackets. We got more bibs, more rain jackets. Over here, we got some boots. We got more deck boots coming from men's. We didn't get our men's deck boots in, but we do have our women's deck boots in. Very, very snazzy. Tons of hats. And then we also brought in all 3 of their new waders. So we got that front zip, Gore-Tex, and we just moved down in price point. All really, really awesome gear. You're going to see Pete and I rock these throughout the winter. Not really wader season right now. I rock Grundens bibs on the boat all year long, but look for those waders because they are coming. You will see them in our videos. As we move over here, we got some more hats. Grundens eat crab. Grundens always fishing. King. A couple beanies. Of course, we got all our Beyond Epic Spawn merch right here as well. So really, really good stuff. We got a bunch more coming. It's gonna be a great brand for us that we know you will love. So when you're in here, be sure you check it out. And that does it for Grundens.
All right, everybody, Pete here. Time for a little fishing report, and boy, do I mean little. Hit the river yesterday, worked it very, very hard. Tossed streamers downstream for a mile and a half. Got to the end of what I wanted to fish, turned around and fished back upstream, but I cut off that streamer and put on dry fly, specifically the Rocktober caddis, and I had a lot of success with both orange and tan bodies yesterday. Lots of cased caddis on the floor of that river, bugs were moving, fish were chasing them. So water's low, it's a little bit tough, be patient. Fish those deeper pools very hard and very diligently with a streamer, get it down to the bottom, but everything else, throw that dry fly, now is the time.
All right, so I didn't get out and fish this past weekend, but I am headed offshore this weekend and hopefully tomorrow morning. So really looking forward to that. The salmon bite has been very, very good. So I'm gonna be looking to target coho. So the idea is that we're gonna find these fish, kill the engine, and I'm gonna start bombing some flies. So it's gonna be a lot of fun. We might get out and chase some rockfish, lingcod sort of, down towards Tillamook if we have the opportunity to. That won't be till Sunday. So again, we're just watching the weather, looking at the forecast, eager, but the big boat is in the water and it's time to go offshore and do some really, really cool, crazy stuff that we know you're going to love. The news you've all been waiting for. Just kidding. But I've been waiting for. So next week, July 13th, I am getting married. meaning the shop will be closed. So the shop will be closed on the 13th and the 12th. I think it's fair. I will be down there. I will be getting married. Pete will be there. Everybody that is close to me will be there, and we cannot wait. So it's going to be a ton of fun. But we just want to let you guys know. We know some people are not going to see this, but we want to let you guys know we will be closed Friday and Saturday for a very, very, very good reason. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and we will see you guys next week.